In Babylon, 3 young captives refused the king's idol, choosing unwavering faith that braided courage into a perilous fiery trial. When the furnace roared, they walked in unharmed, and a 4th figure appeared beside them. Proof that God meets his people in danger. Nebuchadnezzar watched, astonished, and declared that no other god offers such protection, prompting a national awe and renewed worship. The 3 friends emerged unscathed, their robes untouched, and their faith glowing brighter than the flames, signaling a supernatural rescue. If you feel heat today, type Amen and share this truth. God is present, and his deliverance can begin now.